Valve stem seals are small, cylindrical components in your engine that prevent oil from leaking into the combustion chamber. When they fail, oil seeps past, causing problems. This video focuses on recognizing the key symptoms of failing valve stem seals. The most noticeable symptom of bad valve stem seals is blue smoke coming from the exhaust pipe immediately after starting the engine, especially after it has been sitting overnight. This happens because oil has leaked past the worn seals and pooled in the cylinders while the engine was off. When you start the engine, this accumulated oil burns along with the fuel-air mixture, producing the characteristic blue smoke. The smoke typically disappears as the engine warms up and the remaining oil burns off. Another key symptom of bad valve stem seals is a noticeable increase in oil consumption. You might find yourself needing to add oil more frequently than usual. Monitor your oil levels regularly to catch this issue early. Check your dipstick to see if oil levels are dropping below normal. You may be losing 1 to 2 quarts of oil every 1,000 miles, which indicates a problem with the seals. When levels get too low, you'll need to add oil to prevent engine damage. Catching excessive oil consumption early can help prevent more serious engine problems. Valve stem seals are designed to prevent engine oil from leaking into the combustion chamber. They allow just enough oil to lubricate the valve stems while keeping the oil contained in the engine's lubrication system. In a properly functioning engine, these seals maintain the boundary between the oil system and the combustion area, ensuring oil stays where it belongs for lubrication. When valve stem seals degrade due to age, heat, or wear, they lose their ability to contain the oil effectively. Oil begins to seep past the worn seals and enters the cylinder where the fuel-air mixture is being prepared for combustion. The leaked oil mixes with the fuel and air in the cylinder, becoming part of the combustion process. During the engine's power stroke, the fuel-air-oil mixture is ignited and burned, producing power, but also consuming the oil that leaked into the cylinder. The result is gradual but significant oil consumption, typically 1 to 2 quarts per 1,000 miles of driving, as the engine burns through the oil that has leaked into the cylinders. Beyond blue smoke and oil consumption, there are other warning signs that indicate bad valve stem seals are allowing oil to contaminate engine parts where it shouldn't be. Look for fouled spark plugs that are covered in oil. This oil contamination prevents proper ignition and can cause misfires. A distinct burnt oil smell often indicates oil is leaking into the combustion chamber and burning there. Reduced engine compression can occur as oil contaminates the cylinders, interfering with proper sealing. These additional warning signs all point to oil leaking into areas of the engine where it doesn't belong, which is a clear indicator of failing valve stem seals. If you observe these symptoms, have your vehicle inspected by a mechanic. They can perform compression tests to measure cylinder pressure and detect leaks, helping confirm if valve stem seals are the issue. Visual inspection using an endoscope allows mechanics to directly examine the valve stem seals for wear or damage without disassembling the engine. Addressing this promptly can prevent more serious engine damage, such as carbon buildup on valves and pistons, reduced engine efficiency, and the need for expensive repairs like cylinder head replacement. Preventative measures are key to avoiding valve stem seal problems. Regular oil changes every 5,000 to 7,500 miles using synthetic oil help prevent seal degradation by maintaining proper lubrication and reducing heat buildup. During engine rebuilds, always use high-quality valve stem seals made from durable materials like Viton or PTFE to ensure better resistance to heat and wear. If your vehicle has predictive maintenance features, utilize them, as they can monitor oil levels and emissions to detect seal issues early, potentially reducing repair costs by 20 to 30%. Remember, addressing valve stem seal issues early is crucial for maintaining engine health, preventing oil consumption, and avoiding expensive rebuilds that can cost thousands of dollars.